Discover the essential role warehouse assistants play in keeping supply chains moving smoothly. From receiving goods to shipping products, this guide reveals the daily responsibilities, required skills, and pathways to success in warehouse operations. Operations support. Warehouse assistants are the backbone of logistics operations. They ensure products flow smoothly from arrival to departure. Inventory management. They track stock levels and locations. This maintains accurate records for business planning and customer fulfillment. Delivery coordination. Assistants prepare shipments for timely dispatch. They verify orders are complete and properly packaged. Spacious facilities. Modern warehouses span thousands of square feet with high ceilings to accommodate tall storage racks and equipment. Climate control. Temperature-controlled areas protect sensitive inventory from environmental damage. Loading zones. Loading bays facilitate efficient transfer of goods between trucks and the warehouse. Material handling. Forklifts and pallet jacks enable workers to move heavy items throughout the facility. Conveyor systems. Automated conveyor systems transport packages between different warehouse areas. Tracking technology. Scanners and computers track inventory movement to maintain accurate stock records. Warehouse assistants typically work in shifts, with responsibilities ranging from receiving morning deliveries to processing orders and maintaining inventory throughout their workday. 6 a.m. Start shift. Clock in and attend brief team meeting. Review day's priorities and shipment schedule. 7 a.m. Morning deliveries. Receive and process incoming shipments. Verify contents against packing lists. 10 a.m. Order processing. Pick and pack customer orders. Prepare items for afternoon shipping. 2 p.m. End shift. Complete inventory counts. Hand off pending tasks to next shift. Unload deliveries. Safely remove packages from delivery trucks. Use proper lifting techniques to prevent injury. Inspect packages. Check for visible damage or tampering. Document any issues with photos and notes. Verify quantities. Count items against delivery manifests. Ensure all expected products have arrived. Process documentation. Sign for deliveries once verified. Update inventory system with new stock information. Classification. Sort items by category, size, or destination. Group similar products for easier retrieval. Labeling. Apply barcodes or RFID tags. Ensure all items have accurate identification markers. Placement. Store items in designated locations. Follow planogram guidelines for optimal organization. Recording. Update inventory management system. Document location codes for each product. Receive pick list. Get order details via handheld device. Understand priority levels and deadlines. Locate items. Navigate to storage locations. Scan barcodes to confirm correct products. Collect products. Gather all items for each order. Double-check quantities against pick list. Package securely. Place items in appropriate containers. Add protective materials to prevent damage. Apply labels. Print and attach shipping labels. Include tracking information and handling instructions. Create documentation. Generate packing slips and manifests. Prepare customs forms for international shipments. Stage for pickup. Move packages to designated shipping area. Organize by carrier and service level. Transfer to carrier. Load packages onto delivery vehicles. Obtain driver signatures for chain of custody. Stock audits. Perform comprehensive inventory checks. Cycle counts. Regularly count portions of inventory. Discrepancy resolution. Investigate and correct count errors. System updates. Record all inventory movements. Visual inspection. Check packaging integrity. Look for visible product damage. Verify correct labels and markings. Functional testing. Test electronic items when required. Ensure moving parts operate correctly. Verify product specifications match. Documentation. Record inspection results. Report issues to supervisors. Initiate return process for defects. Regular cleaning. Sweep aisles and work areas daily. Remove empty pallets and packaging debris promptly. Safety compliance. Keep emergency exits clear. Follow marked walkways and respect safety zones around equipment. Personal protection. Wear required safety gear. Use proper lifting techniques to prevent injuries. Warehouse assistants must master various equipment. Training typically covers manual tools like pallet jacks and hand trucks first. Additional certifications enable operation of powered equipment. Proficiency with inventory software is increasingly important in modern warehouses. Clear instructions. Understand and relay directions accurately. Effective communication prevents errors and delays. Radio protocols ensure clear messages in noisy environments. Collaborative problem solving. Work together to overcome challenges. Team coordination becomes crucial during busy periods. Proactive updates. Share important information promptly. Successful warehouse assistants develop strong working relationships across departments. Product verification. Match product codes and descriptions exactly. One wrong digit can cause significant errors. Damage detection. Spot subtle signs of product damage. Address issues before they reach customers. Error prevention. Double-check work to avoid mistakes. Verify quantity counts and shipment details. Quality assurance. Maintain high standards consistently. Ensure products meet specifications and quality requirements. Lifting capacity. Regularly handle packages up to 50 pounds. Endurance. Stand/walk for 8+ hours per shift. Mobility. Bend, reach, climb ladders safely. Problem solving. Address issues without constant supervision. Self-management. Complete tasks with minimal direction. Adaptability. Shift priorities as workload demands. Prioritization. Identifying which tasks need immediate attention and which can wait is crucial for workflow management. Efficiency. Using systematic processes and optimized workflows to complete tasks quickly without sacrificing quality. Accuracy. Maintaining precise inventory records and order fulfillment to prevent costly errors and returns. Documentation. Keeping detailed records of all warehouse activities, from receiving to shipping, for accountability. Adaptability. Adjusting to changing priorities and workloads to meet unexpected demands or tight deadlines. Warehouse assistants must balance speed and accuracy. Strong organizational skills help manage multiple orders simultaneously, while effective time management ensures deadlines are consistently met. Years of education. High school diploma or equivalent typically required. Years experience. Prior warehouse or retail stocking preferred. Certifications. Forklift license and safety training valuable. Most entry-level positions provide on-the-job training. Specialized skills like inventory software can be learned after hiring. Highlight relevant experience. Feature previous work with inventory, stocking, or physical labor. Include retail experience that involved backroom operations. List certifications. Mention forklift licenses, safety training, or inventory management systems. These certifications immediately increase your value. Emphasize physical capabilities. Note ability to lift required weights and stand for long periods. This addresses a primary concern for employers. Quantify achievements. Include specific metrics from previous roles. Examples include order accuracy rates or inventory management improvements. Questions to expect. Experience with inventory systems. How you handle physically demanding tasks. Examples of attention to detail. Strategies for meeting tight deadlines. How you've resolved inventory discrepancies. How to stand out. Dress appropriately, business casual. Bring copies of certifications. Share specific examples using STAR method. Ask thoughtful questions about operations. Demonstrate knowledge of inventory principles. Warehouse assistant. Entry-level position handling basic warehouse tasks. Senior warehouse assistant. Handle complex tasks and train others. Inventory specialist. Manage stock levels and reporting. Shift supervisor. Lead team of warehouse assistants. Operations manager. Oversee entire warehouse functions. Career advancement comes through reliability and skill development. Specialized training in logistics software or equipment operation can accelerate growth.